Landing page. The first thing that will greet you after opening the site is the landing page. This shows the logo, name OPPA, a brief welcome, a header where the user can click login or register. In the middle is the Get Started button where it leads to the registration page. Register. A pop-up will be seen by the user showing the terms and conditions and data privacy. They have to accept these terms, and if they decline, they will be back to the landing page. After agreeing, they can choose what role they would like to sign up for. Input their first name, last name, username, which will be shown in their profile, their valid email address, and their password. Upon confirming, a 6-digit OTP will be sent to their email as validation. Log in. After registering, you will have to log in using your credentials, and if successful, it will redirect you to the home of the role you have chosen to register as.
Buyer homepage. The homepage for the buyer shows the number of used cars they have put a bid, a tab, start shopping, and below shows the information on the used cars that they have placed a bid. Buy cars. Buy cars is the overall car listing where it shows all the posted used cars by different sellers. A search engine, filter by mileage or price is also available to be used. Current bidding. In the current bidding, it shows all the used cars that currently have an ongoing bid and shows the information of the car, the highest bidder, and the end date of the bid. Ask recommendation. The Ask Recommendation page is where the buyer can input their budget and their car preferences. Not everything is required to be selected before clicking on the See Results button. This will show a recommendation of used cars that are currently up for bidding.
About Us. About Us is the same for all users, where it shows a brief description about the website, the team behind the project, services delivered, and contact information. Settings. The setting page is also available for all users, where they can upload their picture, make changes in their information, or change their password. Seller. Home. The home page shows the total products the seller is currently selling, the number of bids that is ongoing, a tab that shows the history of the activities of the buyers that has interacted with your products, tab for posting a used car, and a tab for See Trends. See Trends. The See Trends section shows you a visualization of the current trends, such as the graph for the overall sales of used cars within the website. Sell used cars. In selling a used car information has to be inputted by the seller. This includes selecting the make, model, category or body type, the year model, condition rating, fuel type, and the transmission type of the used car. They also have to input the mileage and the engine size by liters. A seller can indicate if the used car has ownership record and certification record. A text box is also available to be used to input any additional issues. A pic is also required, which to be uploaded by the seller through formats in JPG, PNG, and GIF. Lastly, the seller can input the base bidding price either through their own judgment or they can ask for price suggestions. They also have to include the bidding duration. Finally, clicking the post car will upload the car to their car listing. However, its status is still pending, which means that the admin has to approve it first before it can be seen by the buyers. Modify Sales. Modify Sales shows the list of all used cars that the seller is currently selling. A filter, search engine, and sort by feature is also available.